Okay, so we are continuing our run through the Epilog Fusion Series Owner's Manual, and this is for the Pro, Edge, and Maker laser systems. So let's scroll to the next section, which will be the introduction. Last time we looked at fire warning. Now we'll look at introduction, and as a reminder, when you click on one of these headlines or pages, it goes to that direct page. So we'll click on introduction, and this will be a short video because it's just a one-page introduction on how to use this owner's manual. Probably self-evident, but we'll, for the sake of consistency, go through it anyway. Thanks you for the purchase of your Epilog Laser. This whole machine and manual is written to be very helpful and easy to use in operation. There's lots of screenshots in the manual. There's lots of pictures on features inside the software and the hardware. So to get maximum effort out of this manual, you'll want to take advantage of fast forwarding through some of these icons. For example, this one talks about helpful notes when running the laser. This icon for significant time-saving tips. This icon shows how to get help and contact information, probably technical support. And then the warning and cautions icon, and then this icon indicates potential fire damage when operating the laser. So now on to the next one.